Okay, we're going to look at 11.5, number 22. So it says a sample of 46 people yielded information about their health insurance to the table on the right. 2 people who provided information for the table were selected at random without replacement. Find the probability that neither had traditional insurance. So we're going to take a look at over here. So traditional insurance is just one of the categories. So we're looking at the other 2 categories are possibility. So for the first person, let me go back over here. Person 2. So person 1 is going to be, let's go back, and they are 19 for the managed care, plus 6 for no insurance, all over 46 altogether. Okay, so we get 2546 for the first person. The second person now, instead of 46, we're going to have 45, and instead of 25, we're going to have 24, because this is without replacement. Okay, so now what we need to do is go ahead and multiply those together. Okay, so we end up with 20 out of 69. Okay, let's go back over here. Alright, and that's what it turned out to be. I hope this helped.